Welcome to Programming Line Tech Facts. In today's video, we are going to see about FireFox logo. The animal which is in the FireFox logo is not a fox. In fact, it is red panda, which is protected species in Asia, which is unknown to people. You might have a question, why is the logo of FireFox have a red panda? The reason is that while translating the word red panda from Chinese to English, this mistake has occurred, from where we got the word Firefox. The actual logo of Firefox is like a red panda encircling a blue globe which represents the earth. This specifies that Firefox is everywhere to help you navigate the web. There are actually 5 versions of the Firefox logo than the original from the year 2002. The composition of the logo has not changed since 2004. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.